Do you want to easily remove bulk themes from your WordPress? If you have recently switched your WordPress theme, then you may want to remove the old one. You might also have a few other WordPress themes pre-installed on your website that you may want to delete. In this video, we will show you how to remove WordPress bulk themes. So let's start the video. Fast, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins. Click on the Add New button. Search here Swiss Toolkit for WP. Now you are thinking, why am I installing the Swiss Toolkit to remove WordPress bulk themes? I am using the Swiss Toolkit plugin because this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including Spotlight Search, Maximum Upload Size Increase, Favicon Upload, SVG Image Support, Upload Custom Avatar, Username Change, Post or Page Duplicate, WP Admin Login URL Change, Headers and Footers Inserter, Passwordless Temporary Login, and User Switching. With the Swiss Toolkit plugin, you can access additional features and remove WordPress bulk themes without the need for coding. We don't need to use a separate plugin for these features. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it. Link in the description. Check it out. Then install and activate the plugin. Check the company name Boom Devs to confirm the plugin. Now we will see how we can customize the plugin. To do this, we need to go to WP Swiss Toolkit from WordPress. Click on Features. Find the bulk theme remover option and turn it on. Then save by pressing the button. Now go to Appearance. Click on Bulk Theme Delete. Here you can see all the themes installed in WordPress. Select the themes you don't need from here. Now click on Bulk Delete Theme button. See all your unnecessary WordPress themes deleted without any hassle. In this way, you can easily remove bulk themes from your WordPress. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.